Hello there. Are you interested in trading but not sure where to start? In this video, I'm going to be giving you 5 advantages of Forex trading so you could decide for yourself if Forex trading might be the answer for you. First off, Forex trading has high liquidity. This means that a lot of money moves around in the market. With a daily turnover of $6 trillion, traders can enter and exit positions easily and trade large volumes without affecting the market's price because we are mostly retail traders in the market. Or rather, most of the people watching this video are retail traders, including myself. And there's only so much our $100, $200, $5,000, $10,000 is going to do to a market that is as big as $6 trillion. And that brings me to my second point. Forex trading is accessible to almost anyone with an internet connection. No specific qualifications or requirements are needed. And many brokers such as FBS, XNES, OctaFX allow you to use a very, very minimal amount to, start trading. Most brokers will even allow you to start with as little as $10. So it just means that anyone could just pick up their phone, turn on their internet connection, get registered on, whatever broker they want and begin trading. And this is a disclaimer. I am not advising you to just jump into trading, with no plan, with no experience whatsoever. I would strongly advise you take your time to study, take your time to test and backtest strategies, form a risk management plan of your own before jumping into the Forex market, okay? Now, my third point. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This just gives you the flexibility of being able to trade at any single time of the day you want or any time, your trading strategy entails. So as long as you're trading between Monday to Friday, you can trade any single time of the day, no matter where you are. Fourth is, Forex trading provides the potential for high returns as traders can take advantage of leverage to magnify their gains. Leverage is the amount of money your broker allows you to add up to yours in order to enter a specific trading position. So it just means that if you have $100, your broker can upscale that to $10,000, and then you'll be able to make more profits from that. It's a double-edged sword though, because you can also make way more losses. So you need to also do a lot of research before, jumping into the Forex market. And my final point is that the Forex market offers a diverse range of trading opportunities with various currency pairs and their financial instruments available for traders to choose from. This diversity allows traders to find the opportunities in different market conditions, in different currency pairs, and to diverse their portfolios. So, if you're interested in trading, consider Forex trading as a potential way to grow your investment.